In this video, we listed the 5 best fitness trackers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Garmin Forerunner 165. The smartwatch, operating on Android, features a compact 1.2-inch AMOLED touchscreen display and a lightweight design, making it an ideal companion for fitness enthusiasts. With a memory storage capacity of 4 GB and a battery life of up to 11 days in smartwatch mode and 19 hours in GPS mode, it is equipped with built-in GPS for tracking pace and distance, as well as wrist-based heart rate monitoring. The device supports Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB connectivity, and includes over 25 built-in activity profiles such as running, cycling, and HIIT. Users can benefit from personalized daily workout suggestions through Garmin Coach, receive morning reports on sleep and recovery, and utilize safety features like incident detection. Additionally, smart notifications for calls and texts from paired smartphones, along with Garmin Pay for contactless payments, enhance its usability. The Garmin Connect app further allows users to track health metrics, compete with friends, and participate in challenges. Number 2. Amazfit T-Rex 3. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 smartwatch, powered by Zepp OS 4.0, combines advanced technology with rugged durability, featuring a large 1.5-inch AMOLED display that achieves peak brightness of 2000 nits for optimal visibility in various lighting conditions. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, it boasts a military-grade body that withstands extreme temperatures and is water-resistant up to 328 feet, making it suitable for activities like surfing and free diving. With a generous memory storage capacity of 26 GB, the watch supports over 170 workout modes and offers personalized AI training plans, while its built-in GPS, enhanced by dual-band positioning and 6 satellite systems, ensures accurate tracking of adventures. The device also emphasizes user convenience with features like voice control through Zepp Flow, enabling speech-to-text messaging, and extended battery life, lasting up to 27 days under typical use. Furthermore, it prioritizes user privacy with robust data protection measures compliant with GDPR, allowing users to manage their GPS data storage preferences effectively. Number 3. Google Pixel Watch 3. The Google Pixel Watch 3 is a feature-rich smartwatch running on Android, designed to enhance fitness and health tracking with advanced capabilities powered by Fitbit. It boasts a 45mm round display that is 40% larger and twice as bright as its predecessor, allowing users to easily view their stats and notifications. Key features include a comprehensive suite of health monitoring tools such as a sleep monitor, ECG, body temperature monitor, heart rate monitor, and stress tracking, alongside an activity tracker and calorie counter. The watch also supports contactless payments and fall detection, making it a reliable companion for daily activities. Connectivity is facilitated through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, while GPS functionality is available via smartphone. Additionally, the Pixel Watch 3 offers personalized running recommendations and performance insights, helping users optimize their workouts based on readiness and cardio load metrics. With its lithium-ion battery and always-on display, this smartwatch is built for performance and convenience in a stylish package. Number 4. Amazfit Band 7. The Amazfit Band 7 fitness tracker is a versatile device powered by the Zepp OS, featuring a large 1.47-inch HD AMOLED display that enhances the user experience by providing more information at a glance. With a substantial memory capacity of 2,300 MB and a generous 232 mAh battery, it boasts a remarkable battery life of up to 18 days on typical usage, extending further to 28 days in battery saver mode. This fitness tracker supports a wide array of 120 sports modes and is equipped with water resistance up to 50 meters, making it ideal for various athletic activities. Health monitoring capabilities include simultaneous tracking of heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and stress, along with comprehensive sleep analysis. The Band 7 also incorporates built-in Amazon Alexa, facilitating hands-free assistance for tasks like setting alarms and managing notifications. Additional features such as call and SMS notifications, music control, and a rich ecosystem of mini-apps further enhance its functionality, creating a powerful tool for fitness enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra LTE is a rugged and reliable smartwatch designed for active individuals, featuring a durable titanium construction that withstands challenging conditions, including rain, dust, and ocean swimming. It operates on the Tizen operating system and offers a range of advanced features, including a 47mm touchscreen display, built-in GPS, and Bluetooth connectivity. The watch is equipped with Galaxy AI technology, enabling users to track their performance during workouts and compare it to past activities, while providing personalized insights such as an energy score that reflects physical readiness based on sleep, heart rate, and activity levels. Additionally, it offers tailored wellness tips to help users optimize their daily performance and features enhanced heart rate tracking for more accurate readings during exercise. Overall, the Galaxy Watch Ultra LTE is engineered to help users push their limits and achieve their fitness goals.